everybody. Don't overlook this place to get some free magazines. Don't overlook this place to get free or affordable magazines. The church rummage sale. I got these, and I got a whole lot more, but they're in another bag. I got these for free. The other ones I got for 25 cents. I try to talk them down if you get a lot of them when you get up there, because this is a good place that a lot of people forget. It is summer. There's now the garage sale. There's now the yard sale, rummage sales, state sales. You're not going to get them affordable, probably not at a state sale. But all kinds of sales going on. And the tip for a yard sale is don't overlook at the bottom of the driveway. They have a free box. Always look in a free box. Even at the rummage sale, I found a lot of magazines at the in the free box. So don't overlook the rummage sales. There used to be a sign, or I haven't seen them anywhere. I stopped for all yard sales. Well, I will skid and run up. No, let me stop. I will skid to a stop for a rummage sale. I love me a rummage sale. And like I say, try to talk them down, and you'll feel good about yourself when you leave, because it's usually going to a good cause. Like the rummage sale we just came from, they were going on a missionary trip. All right, this one will be a quick one, because mainly I just wanted to come on here and tell you to discover. Oh, here we go. Anybody new to my channel, I will find segments in the magazine that will fit what I'm saying right at the time, and it usually gets me laughing and giggling and all kinds of stuff. But so we're not going to go down that rabbit hole today. Why I love this place. I could cut out him. Okay, let's see. Oh, that looks good. Life's more fun in the deep bed. I like the orange. I love this brown. Yard work. Some people love yard work though, because it's just the ticket. See, look. Here we go. Because it's just a ticket to keep them safe. That helps with their heart healthy, to work in the garden, to make a better home and a better garden. Eat up better breakfast. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I love this orange, and I do use it. I love him too. Let me get him. Ooh, that is a pretty great escape. Where are they at? That is nice. It's a tented bedroom in your yard. I think I'm going to grab the Great Escape. Oh, I may grab something over here. That's pretty. Looks yummy. That looks yummy. Okay, I'm going to get him. I need to get hers, because it'll be good to keep exercising. These are nice colors. Decorate, upgrade, grow, cook, and make. Ooh, this is beautiful. I may get that one day. Wow, that's a nice RV. Yeah, we just gonna go through kind of quick. See some of the stuff I look for. Oh, that looks good. I always thought that was a veggie burger. I love a good veggie burger. Oh, the salad looks good. that's funny. Oh, this is cute too. I mean, yeah. But he faded into the car because he doesn't want her to brush his teeth. Oh, that's funny. I'm just going through quickly because so one of my breakfast is almost ready. Oh, that would be a nice place to have breakfast. But oh, that's nice. But I forgot what I was gonna say. Doesn't take me much to forget. This is really nice. It says nighttime gardening is my favorite because it's simply lovely and calming. The world is sleeping, the atmosphere is quiet, and the temperatures are comfortable. Ashley Thomas. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I think I'm gonna get that. Oh, that's be nice for a green color glue book, and this one for that's nice. Oh, all these are okay. This would be nice for even for your junk journals for summer pages. You could use the outside for something. I like images like that. Ooh, it kind of reminds me of somewhere where I was, look, yard selling. And it was real weird. The man was talking to his daughter. He was outside on the porch, and it was something she had for sale. And he kept asking, like he had to keep asking his daughter things, but you couldn't hear her. She wasn't saying anything back. It was a little spooky. I was like, okay. Let's go. Oh, that's a nice arrangement. May come back and get some nice corn. Oh yeah, that's right. It is time for the corn on the cobblers. You like a little outdoor space like that. All right. So that's really basic. This looks really good. Yeah, because it's time to go fix. I just wanted to come on and just remind you to not forget, if you see a yard, if on your way, if you're not a yard sale or a rummage sale person, if you see one on your way, you may think, oh, take a time out to, she looked like she got something to say. And stop by your local, your yard sale, your rummage sale, and see if you can find some good old magazines. And don't forget, if they're not offering them free, to try to talk them down. Because one time, I said, could you give me a better deal? And they did. Alrighty. Oh, and these are good pictures right here. Yeah. So don't forget, that's a good place, along with your doctor's office, your dentist's office, you go get your car service. That's the places to look for good magazines. Oh, these are good pictures. And also don't forget your welcome center if you live in an area where a lot of tourists come. Well, I'd like to thank you so very much for watching, and I will talk to you in the next video. Bye!